guys!
Kay Mamina.
This is my Aurela. For today's video, I have a question for Aurela so we can check how smart she is. So let's see ha. Here's my question.
I can copy her.
What would happen if everyone on Earth decided to stop using cars on a day? One day lang.
One day lang.
For example, i-announce ni President natin, no using of cars for today. What would happen?
They will listen.
O kaya nga, syempre, they will follow. President na yung nagsabi nun eh. What do you think would happen in our
Country.
in our
In the
country?
rest of the country.
Oh, karito mo, karito.
Every country.
Oh, no,
All of the country.
buong,
Even Africa.
Hmm.
In Japan. South Arabia.
Oo, lahat
Etc. na country.
Muro ka rito.
Etc. Everything.
Oo, all countries nga.
All country.
Muro ka dito beside me.
Mm.
What would happen in our Earth if we don't use cars?
Di ba in America, there's no tricycle or jeep?
Hindi, basta ito na lang ang question, huwag mo lang pahabain. Oo, wala naman talagang tricycle sa Amerika. Pero may motorcycle, pero walang
When I get rich,
tricycle.
like Elon Musk, I go to America and Canada to make tricycle and jeep for them. So to be easier.
Eh kasi,
So they will say,
ito nga sabihin ko sa'yo ha, they are rich country kasi. So, I
they're
think,
maarte.
no, they don't need that. So, what they use, siguro the poorest man can use a bike or motorcycle. For transportation, there are taxis, there are trains, buses.
Wait lang!
So,
Motorcycle.
So, you don't need to give them those kind of transportation. They are rich countries. Remember that. So, what do you think would happen? Walang cars sa street. Lahat.
Aha. They will transportation.
Transportation nga, yung mga cars. Oh, that's the sige. Huwag natin specific. There's no transportation in a day. Kahit ano, wala, lahat. Bike, motorcycle, cars, buses, jeepneys, trains,
Scooter.
oh, lahat wala yun.
Hoverboard.
What do you think what will happen?
They will just walk
Going to?
everywhere.
Yes, you're right.
You see the people going to Antipolo just like this.
All people will just walk going to their destinations. Like for example, their work or school, they will just walk. And what if your work or your school is very far? Oh, what will happen?
They will run.
Hindi, kahit na. You cannot you cannot run with with a lot of kilometers. You can just run for a short ano lang.
Second.
Hindi,
Minute.
not so far.
Ano? Before the school days, before the school days in Philippines, I will I'll make my own transportation.
Hindi, one day lang naman eh. One day lang naman mangyayari yun. Alam mo, in-announce lang.
Kunyari tayo, wala tayong car, transportation, kahit si Daddy Mar.
Oh, what will happen nga on that day?
I will make
What will happen on that day?
What will happen?
On that day, walang mga
You will just
sasakyan.
stay at home. Just stay at home.
Paano yung mga work naman nila? Paano yung mga school nila?
Kami ni Cheska.
Kayo, malapit kayo. Yun, kayo. Cheska, pwede kayong makapasok sa school by walking because
Ay, si Chaska nagto-tricycle eh.
Ang wala kang tricycle. Pero malapit lang yung school niya.
Ano? I will make my own transportation.
One day lang naman yun. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do
Then I
that.
will...
Pero tama na nga yung sinagot mo. People will walk going through their destinations.
Like Papa.
And they will just stay at home. Or kaya nga, pag malayo, they will just stay at
They will
home.
just stay absent.
Yeah, you're right naman. Of course,
Parang Ate Sopit, Kuya Sean.
they cannot go to work and school na kapag that's if it's so far.
I wish that happened. But if that happened and malapit lang school ko, no!
Tama naman yung sagot mo. And also, there will be no pollution on that day. Walang usok na manggagaling. Sit properly. Walang usok na manggagaling sa mga sasakyan. And we can breathe fresh air on that day. Kasi no pollution. Diba? Isa rin sa magandang mangyayari. Pero tama lahat sagot mo, Rela. You're right. Well, thank you for answering my question. And thank you for watching our kwentuhan. Till next video. Bye. God bless.